being authentic. And if you are new to my channel, then I'm Vaishnavi Rao. I make videos on DIY, lifestyle, fashion, hauls and much more. By the title of this video, you would have already guessed it what my video is all about today. So yes, I am here with unboxing video and also my makeup pouches, or you can call it as makeup organizer bags whatsoever. So let's get right into the video without any further delay. I'll try to leave all the links and descriptions in the description box below, be it the price or from where I got everything. I'll try to cover it in this video, and by chance if I miss anything, I'll definitely leave everything, all the details in there. So do check it out in the description box below. Let's begin with this one. This is my makeup kit organizer. You can organize all your makeup products under this one bag. So it's very easy to carry. It will fit right into your suitcase or your travel bag, whatsoever it is. So it's very elegant. I have bought it in black color, and you get it in many different variations. So let's see how it looks from inside. This is how it looks. And these are adjustable compartments. You can remove it and adjust according to your makeup product size. I'll show you how you can adjust. See, you can remove this, and if you can see, you have these adjusting places where you can adjust this one. So I had it right over here, so I can even put it right across here. See, it is that simple, and it is very sturdy also. You can arrange your products accordingly. I will show you after arranging my makeup products in this. I'll do it in another video. So yeah, so these are the adjustable compartments. You can adjust however you wish to. And right here you have pouch. So you can put all your makeup brushes and some cream tubes, whatever. It's left to you how you organize your makeup bag. Definitely I would prefer makeup brushes and cream tubes right here. And you have one zip, one more compartment here. Here you can place, you have really a sufficient good amount of room. You can put something kind of tissue papers or makeup wet wipes or cotton remover pads. All these you can put it right over here. So yeah, this looks very elegant, and I have it in black color, as I said. You can definitely check for your favorite colors, which is available on Amazon, and buy one for yourself. By the way, this is gifted to me by my husband. So this is very close to my heart. I just really love the way it has delivered to me. The packing was really good, and it's very easy to carry. Next, makeup pouch. There are two, as you can see. So I bought these from D-Mart. I got this for 99 rupees. Can you see? I don't think you can see because of the light reflection. That's okay. It says 110 rupees, but D-Mart price for which I got 99 rupees for each. And I love the material, guys. It is very soft and it is waterproof. So you can keep it on your sink counter, wash basin counter. Even if there is any water spillage, you can just wipe it off. It will clean up. So yeah, this is how it looks. Even though it is of this size, it has again compartments inside. You have like this, Can you see? So you have one more compartment. They have divided it so that you can organize things easily, and you have one small zip pouch here. You can segregate the way you want. I bought it in two different colors, one for me and one for my husband. So this is for him and this is for me. I love blue, guys. So whatever I purchase, it has to be in blue in color. For most of the things at least, I love blue and blue variations, everything blue shades. And one interesting thing is this, it has got mirror. How cute it is. So this becomes very handy. You can put it in your daily travel bag or office bag. So I'm sure this will be very useful for you, the small mirror. Yeah, so similar with even this one. Both I got it for 99 rupees. Very affordable price. Moving on to my next travel pouch is this one. It says Holly Jolly. If I have to remember, I bought this from Vishal Mart. Again, I got this for 199, 200 rupees. Not seen my what's in my bag video, then I'll leave somewhere here the link for that video. Please do check it out. I have shown in that what all I have organized in this. I use this pouch for my daily travel, be it office or short distance travel. It is very cute, and the color, again, it's in a blue, a light blue, sky blue color, and it has got light pink texture of zip. Yeah, it's very cute. Again, I cannot stop stressing on that point, how cute and how handy it is. Again, so this is from Vishal Mart. Love this. It's an affordable price. I love these makeup bag collections and organizing bag collections. So moving on to my next one. This is a small pouch. I think this I got it from my mother. I borrowed it from my mother and I never gave it back to her. It is very cute. Again, you have only single compartment pouch. This is so you can keep basic things. I use this for traveling makeup travel products sometimes, and sometimes all the electrical things like cables, chargers, cells and so on. But maximum I use this for like mini products, small makeup mini products, for this for a short distance of my travel. Again, this is very handy. I don't know how much this costed because I borrowed it from my mom. So yeah, love this pouch again. And moving on to my next and most used travel makeup product pouch is this one. It is very cute. I think that is not exactly translating the color in the video. It is actually red in color. So this is red, this is red. I don't know, it's white pink over there. This is the most used travel pouch I have ever used among all these. And I had all the products right under here. It fits everything. But the only drawback of this is that you don't get any organizers apart from this. All you have to dump in to this section. It gets jumbled up. That's the reason I wanted another organizer kit and got this one. But this remains favorite all my life because I have used it so much. You can keep all the makeup brushes. So you have one stopper here so that it doesn't come in contact with the products right here. So yeah, I bought this for 200 rupees again. If I had to remember, so I bought it in commercial, no, not commercial. I bought it in KR Market, where you get Raja Market precisely. There you get in different variations, colors, patterns, everything. So from there I got. Again, it goes well in your travel bag. It is very sturdy. It will hold good amount of products. And yeah, this is how it looks. Moving on to my next one. So this one, I hope many of you have come across this bag, or many of you would have used this. This actually comes in different sizes, but I bought this as a single piece. Yeah, this was my first bag which I bought initially, but then later on I started using this to keep my straightener and curler inside this bag. But I'm sure definitely I'll make use of this for makeup products in case I need it. Middle, it's a transparent cover so that you can clearly see what's right in your bag. So that's an added advantage of this bag if I have to speak out. Yeah, again, I love this. Last but not the least, this cute small little pouch again in blue color. If you have not checked out my Miniso haul, please do check it out. I will leave somewhere here for that video link. You can go check it out. I have bought this from Miniso, and the fact that it's blue in color, I love it to the most. And it has got one silica bag. I hope you all know the importance of silica bag. Please do save it and use it as much as possible. Don't throw it. It's very useful, very useful. So yeah, so this I got it for 190 rupees. Most of the products you get it in Miniso under 200 rupees. So do check it out without fail. And I'm sure you will also love all Miniso products. So you can see here, they have written Miniso Life. No, cannot see. Okay, so this marks the end of my video. Hope you all like it. Without forgetting, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and click that bell icon to get all the notifications whenever I post a new video. Hope to see you all in my next video. Until then, take care and bye bye.